There are plenty of reasons you'd want to pack lighter gear. Maybe you're flying a budget airline with a 7-kilogram weight limit for your carry-on. Or maybe you just don't want to feel weighed down as you explore. Whatever the reason, we've got a lineup of lightweight gear to take on your next trip. This little bottle shines for workouts. Most gyms have a way to refill, which means you don't have a need for a heavy insulated bottle. Plus, we like bringing the EverVessel Mini on trips where cold water refills are easy to find. That makes this 6.35-ounce bottle a good pick for metro areas and amusement parks. It has a smaller capacity of 14 ounces and lacks insulation, but its slim form factor fits nearly any cup holder and bottle pocket. The powder-coated exterior is soft to the touch, making it comfortable to hold even for those with smaller hands. Despite its lack of significant insulation, your water will remain cold enough in the time it takes you to drink it. Then you're not lugging around double the weight with just an empty water bottle as you take in an air-conditioned museum or shopping center. No plastic touches your drink on this stainless steel bottle either. The BPA-free food-grade polypropylene is only used for the lid threading, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals leaching into your water. The cap is a simple screw top and you sip from the lip of the bottle. There's no spout, but the rounded top edges of the stainless steel make it a pleasant drinking experience, and you can get a straw attachment if you prefer. One of the heaviest things you'll carry is your bag before it's even full of gear. To keep your back and shoulders happy, opt for a bag that expands as you need it. The Shell ProLite goes from 20 liters to 40 liters or higher with add-on accessories. It weighs just 1.98 pounds, making it one of the lightest travel backpacks we've found. When compressed, it makes a great day pack or personal item bag with a few slit pockets along the back panel and bottle pockets on the side. There's a pocket on the lid to keep your phone, wallet, and keys within easy reach, with another on the back panel where you can tuck your passport and extra cash for security. You can slide your laptop into its own compartment with side access along the back panel too, if you want to use it for remote work. The top closes with a cinch cord and a flap for accessibility under the seat. There's also a zipper to open it up fully clamshell for easy packing. If you're taking a longer trip and need more space, just loosen the side bungee cords and hook to unleash more material inside. That pretty much doubles the depth of the bag, so it makes sense that it doubles the usable capacity. A kangaroo pocket on the bottom of the bag allows you to stow more gear, like damp clothing or shoes, with breathable mesh and drainage holes to let things dry as you go along. And it's all handled with a beefy harness system. It includes breathable mesh padding, curved shoulder straps with a removable sternum strap, load lifters, and a slim hip belt. Most of the extra straps are just simple webbing without padding, but that helps to save some weight. You can even get more usable capacity with Tropicfeel add-ons like a toiletry bag and front cube that connect to the front with the daisy chain and buckled strap. So this jack-of-all-trades bag can get the job done no matter where you're traveling. And if you're the type to track everywhere you've been, there's a fun destination counter on the side where you can note it down. But you might not want to heft that much weight on your back. When you're dealing with tight airline weight limits, you don't want your carry-on bag to take up most of the weight allowance. And unfortunately, a lot of roller bags weigh a lot. Luckily, the Bellroy Lite carry-on is different. It comes in at only 4.63 pounds, which isn't bad for a 38-liter bag on wheels. The minimal weight is due to its recycled ripstop nylon construction, which gives it the look of a Bellroy backpack. It also makes it durable and able to withstand rain while remaining lightweight. The rugged wheels allow you to tackle different terrain, and the extendable handle can tuck away into a pocket when you want to stow it in the overhead bin. When it's time to deplane, there are top and side handles to help you heave it up there and pull it down. They're made of slightly padded webbing that's comfortable to hold as you make your way down the center aisle. This soft side bag includes admin-style organization and an exterior top pocket, so you don't need to carry an extra sling through the airport to have access to your gear. Slip your phone, wallet, keys, and whatever else you need inside. It's easy to grab while waiting at the gate or for the train. The remaining space is inside the organized main compartment, which has a zippered panel against the back to hold most of your gear in place and built-in pockets on the lid for more gear. There's no structure separating any of the pockets, so you'll have to pick and choose where to put your gear to help it fit together nicely, but the pockets make it easier to find travel accessories without digging through your clothing. You might consider a key organizer to cut down on jangly keys. Yet this tiny carabiner does the same thing, and it's a fraction of the weight. The Gear Infusion KT5 Key Titan Carabiner has a big name for something so small. It's just a couple of inches long and weighs 0.2 ounces. However, it combines a metal carabiner and a stretchy suppression band to keep your keys in check, in or out of your pockets. To use it, push the suppression band to the side opposite the carabiner opening, then slide up to 5 keys in front of it. Pull the band over the top of the keys and out of the carabiner gate to snap it up against your keys. The tension keeps them from jangling around, no extra tools, screws, or leather straps needed. You can use the other half of the carabiner to clip your keys to a belt loop, a key leash, or another loop. Even if you don't fill it to capacity, the band does a great job of keeping keys in place, holding them together even if you shake it around. Don't worry, it's still easy to flip up the one you want, so you're not sacrificing function for form. And it's not just a keychain either. There's a built-in bottle opener, and you can even use the opening to help tighten a screw if you have a spare bit. If you don't, well, at least you know where your keys are when you stumble back to the rental home after happy hour. We've always been happy with NITECORE's battery bank's small size to capacity ratio, but their latest offering is lighter than air. Well, not quite, but the NB Air USB-C power bank weighs just 3.17 ounces, which is 10 grams less than our favorite credit card size charger. Since it's roughly the size of your favorite snack bar, it's easy to slip into a pocket to charge on the go. Its rounded corners won't poke you as you walk around either, which we appreciate. Its 5,000 milliamp hour capacity is rated at 3,300 milliamp hours, so most smartphones will get a single charge, although it might not fully juice larger, more powerful devices. There's a single USB-C port which we wish supported pass-through charging, though it's not a deal breaker. We do like that it's IPX7 water resistant in case it gets splashed, and it's easy to see how much power remains when you light up 4 LEDs with the touch-sensitive power button. So if you need to keep your phone going to navigate back to the hotel or book your next FastPass ride, you'll have no problem with this lightweight battery. You've basically hit the jackpot if you can carry 10 liters worth of gear in a bag that only weighs half a pound. Especially when it's something as comfortable to carry and easy to pack as the Away Featherlight Crossbody. Despite its size, it's super comfortable on your shoulder and has pockets that are easy to access without taking off the bag. The polyester twill look kind of reminds us of a fortune cookie. And it's soft, light, and flexible, so it can mold around your body as you carry it around the market or on the bus. While the exterior has a little bit of structure, it's not enough to keep oddly shaped gear from poking through. However, there's so much available space that it's pretty easy to arrange your gear to keep that from happening. We love this salt white colorway, and though the light fabric does show some stains and scuffs, we're able to clean them up pretty easily with a bit of elbow grease. There's a tiny pocket on the shoulder strap where you can stick earbuds, transit cards, and lip balm, though there's not enough space for much else. There's also a side pocket where you can stash your passport in an elastic top sleeve, along with a handful of other accessories. Anything else fits into the main compartment, which has no organization other than a zippered pocket along the back panel to contain small items. That means you're free to fill it with whatever you like, whether that's a tech pouch for your battery bank and cords, a Kindle, an extra layer, or the souvenirs you pick up along the way. You can fit quite a few of those trinkets in this travel backpack, but you're better off using it for clothing, packing cubes, and pouches. ULA Equipment makes some of the lightest backpacks we've tried, and the Ultra 36-liter Dragonfly is no different. It weighs 1.94 pounds, which is great for a 36-liter bag, and you can go even lighter with the 30-liter version. Either way, the durable and waterproof Ultra fabric does the heavy lifting without weighing you down. While it sounds rather crunchy, it works well for adventurous trips just about anywhere when you're not sure if it'll rain or not. Along with keeping your gear safe and dry, it has a decent harness system. It can feel overwhelming on smaller frames because it's so tall, but that's what makes the bag easy to pack, and there are compression straps on the outside to keep everything in place when you pack less. A stretchy mesh zippered pocket on the front is a great place to stash a jacket, and there's a stretchy bottle pocket on the side to help you stay hydrated. And there's also a large laptop compartment against the back panel. It lacks a lot of padding, but you'll have space for a laptop case if your device isn't overly large. The main compartment is easy to pack as it opens fully clamshell and includes a couple of hold-down straps to keep your packing cubes or clothing in place. With a few more pockets on the lid for accessories, this is a great backpack for almost anything, whether you're traveling or hiking. It's a cinch to lighten your load when you carry a tote, especially if it has just the right organization like this one from Bellroy. You can fit a lot in the main compartment of this 10.6 ounce bag, with a zippered pocket on the back panel for your wallet, passport, and other essentials you don't want sliding to the bottom. The front pocket snaps shut to hold your small accessories in place, and you can also slide gear behind it since it creates a slip pocket up against the front of the tote. Pockets on either side allow easy access to a water bottle, battery bank, or umbrella. The Cinch Tote's Relaxo Weave material is a recycled plastic fabric with a textured look and feel. The straps are long enough to sling the tote over your shoulder, but not so long that it drags along the ground if you hold it by hand. There's also a large luggage pass-through on the back to slide it over the handle of your rolling luggage as you walk through the airport. Unlike other tote bags, this one cinches shut at the top, so you won't lose your gear if you lie the bag under the seat in front of you. Plus, it's compressible enough to tuck it inside of your travel backpack to use during your trip if you don't want to use it as your personal item bag. So that's how we're lightening up our next trip. What's your favorite hack to save weight when you're packing? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.